Is Wednesday, the 23rd of March, 2022, and welcome to our daily debrief. Just to recap yesterday's action, we obviously played catch up since we're off on Monday, with our market being incredibly bid up. We had miners sort of lead the way initially, and then sort of the whole market sort of followed suit. Not the strongest close in our miners, but miners seem to have followed through in spot prices this morning. And yesterday we've had very strong session out of the US with, I think, a massive short squeeze. It's been the fifth straight day of gains in the US markets, with the market pretty much going on autopilot, led by tech predominantly, and all sort of market counters trading really well. Just look since our close, we've got S&P about up 12 points. Nasdaq's pretty much unchanged. FTSE futures showing up 0.6%. The VIX has called in quite a bit. We've got the dollar pretty much a little bit weaker. Rand very strong at 14.80. 10-year yield still pushing up higher. Gold at 19.21. Brent crude going from 114 to 117. Iron ore up a little bit. Palladium up $50. BHP is showing on at 0.8%. And obviously, the main focus today will be Tencent, which should be out at around 10 or 11 o'clock this morning, showing up 0.4%. Just to watch that 10-year yield, it sort of has zero, nothing until 180, 280. So just keep an eye on this, just that level. I think this 10-year can still carry on going and potentially derail markets at some stage, but not at the moment. Just to look at the Tencent chart and their numbers. Tencent sort of coiled in here around this 393 area, quite an important level. So let's watch it this morning. I think we've got revenue of 145.3 billion. Sort of the main focus in net income 29.1 and operating profit of 41.45. So keep focused on that as that reacts to our process in Naspers. Just to look at process, not too much here. We said yesterday that as long as it holds 838, it can remain constructive. And I think the next level there is 911. So watch this. If we do get a proper blowout number out of Tencent, we could see maybe a potential test of that level there. And then looking at process quickly, Naspers quickly, I think also coiled in here quite nicely. I think if we can get through 1865, we could potentially get some more upside there. So those are sort of the levels that we're watching this morning. The numbers should be out, as we said, about 10 and 11 o'clock. So just to recap, focus is on process and Naspers today going into the Tencent numbers. Good luck.